How to create a Subway account. If you want to create a Subway account, it is rather quite simple to do so. You can download the Subway application, or you can go to subway.com. Then simply open the Subway app, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. So what we're going to do is just accept the terms and conditions that it has. Then you can see sign in. If you have an account, you can sign in, but if you don't, tap on the Join Now button. When you tap the Join Now button on the next page, you'll be able to see other forms of options right there. So what we want to do is just wait a couple of seconds until the page loads up successfully. Then it will ask us to enter our phone number. So go ahead and enter the phone number that you wish to use for your Subway account. Then after that, you can enter the email and password and your name and your addresses. Once you verify them and you tap the next button, your Subway account will be successfully created. This way you can basically create a Subway account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.